Welcome, eco-warriors and tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the digital jungle where AI meets Mother Nature. Tom, ready to get your circuits green?
Absolutely, Mark. I've got my virtual gardening gloves on, and I'm ready to cultivate some artificial intelligence.
Perfect. We're exploring the fascinating world of improving AI accuracy and reliability in environmental applications. It's like teaching a robot to hug a tree without crushing it. Let's start with the foundation of any good AI system: data. In the environmental realm, it's like trying to count every leaf in a forest. Tom, how do we ensure our AI isn't working with rotten data?
Well, Mark, it's all about quality over quantity. We need to invest in comprehensive data collection efforts. Think of it as sending out an army of eco-friendly drones and citizen scientists to gather intel on our planet.
So it's like crowdsourcing for Mother Nature. I once tried to count birds in my backyard for a citizen science project. Let's just say I got distracted by a particularly sassy squirrel.
That's the spirit, Mark. But imagine if we could combine your squirrel-watching skills with advanced sensing technologies. We'd get a much clearer picture of our ecosystems.
Good point. But what about the data we already have? It's probably full of more holes than my attempt at organic gardening. Now that we've got our data sorted, let's talk about making our AI models as tough as a cactus in a desert. Tom, how do we build AI that can handle Mother Nature's mood swings?
Great question, Mark. We need to develop more robust and adaptable AI architectures. Think of it as creating a Swiss Army knife of AI models, ready for any environmental scenario.
So instead of a one-size-fits-all approach, we're tailoring our AI to handle everything from polar ice caps to tropical rainforests.
Exactly. We're talking about hybrid models that combine different AI techniques, like mixing the problem-solving skills of a border collie with the adaptability of a chameleon.
Fascinating. So our AI becomes a jack of all trades, master of, well, hopefully all of them when it comes to the environment. Tom, let's face it, predicting environmental changes can be as tricky as forecasting British weather. How do we make sure our AI isn't overconfident?
The million-dollar question. We need to incorporate uncertainty quantification into our AI systems. It's like giving our AI a humility chip.
A humility chip? So instead of saying it's definitely going to rain frogs tomorrow, it might say there's a 60% chance of amphibian precipitation?
Exactly. By using techniques like Bayesian methods or ensemble approaches, we can provide measures of uncertainty alongside predictions. It's crucial for informed decision-making.
I see. So we're not just making our AI smarter, we're making it more honest about what it doesn't know. If only we could apply that to some politicians. Tom, I think it's time we pull out our Wordly map to make sense of all this. If we map out improving AI accuracy in environmental applications, what do you think we'd see?
Great idea, Mark. Let's start with our user needs at the top. We've got policymakers, scientists, and conservationists who need accurate environmental insights.
Right, and to meet those needs, we'd have AI-driven environmental models and prediction systems. These would be pretty visible and custom-built, I'd imagine.
Exactly. Now, supporting those models, we'd have components like data collection systems, which are more of a commodity, and AI model development frameworks, which are evolving rapidly.
And at the bottom, we'd have things like computing infrastructure and basic AI algorithms, which are pretty much utilities at this point.
Spot on. Now, if we look at the movement along the map, we can see that the focus for innovation is really in the middle layers, improving data quality, developing more robust models, and integrating domain knowledge.
Fascinating. It really highlights how we need to focus on those middle components to drive overall improvement in AI accuracy for environmental applications.
Absolutely. And it shows why collaboration between AI experts and environmental scientists is so crucial. We need that domain knowledge to move things forward.
Well, folks, we've journeyed through the digital rainforest of AI in environmental applications. From data quality to uncertainty quantification, we've seen how making AI greener is no walk in the park.
Indeed, Mark. As we've discovered, improving AI accuracy in this field is not just about smarter algorithms, but about creating systems that can truly understand and adapt to the complexities of our environment.
Absolutely, Tom. So, dear listeners, next time you see a robot hugging a tree, remember, it's not just a malfunction, it's the future of environmental sustainability. Until next time, keep your carbon footprint small and your AI ambitions big.